Scientists launched this animal into outer space, and it survived. This is a tardigrade. It's 0.5 millimeters long, and it's basically unkillable. Boil it, freeze it, expose it to radiation, shoot it into the vacuum of space. It survives everything. When conditions get extreme, it shuts down all biological functions, entering a state called cryptobiosis. No heartbeat, no breathing, no metabolism, just waiting. It can stay like this for 30 years, then wake up like nothing happened. Evolution built something we still can't kill,